Hello, welcome to my new video. Actually, now it's too hard to fix any Google Market Center account. And last 30 days, I talked a lot of person and they're not fixed any single account. Actually, it's now too hard fix Google Market Center account. After fix Google Market Center account, then it will again suspended. So today I will describe how to fix your Google Market Center account in 2026. So this is my client Google Market Center account and here is all approved. First of all, you needs to add your business whole details on your website. What is this actually? Your website, all information must be legit like business address, phone number, and business email. This part is very important. You just add this all in your footer section and contact us section. You also added this all information in all policy pages like return and refund policy, shipping policy, and others policy. Then your website design must be so high quality because if your website poor design, then Google thinks your website not professional. So your website design must be more professional. See this website and it's also look a real website and good design. So this is very important for fix your Google Market Center account. The another one is your website products must be good description, different angle images, and high quality images. If your website products good design, it will also helps you get more sales. The another one is your website logo design must professional. If you have any social media account, active account, then add on your website because it's very important. It will also grow your trust. New social media account do not add on your website because you have no real followers. So Google crawler know this you are new. So daily post on your social media accounts and linked on your website, also your about us page. Now I tell you about us place page. About us page must be unique. If you create this chat GPT, then Google also detects this one and you also suspended for misrepresentation. Your shipping policy must be similar to your market center account because just you just add it on your shipping policy in your website and when anyone purchase it shows free shipping but when go to checkout then it's see something is wrong or added more payment and not match your free shipping and your Google Market Center account. The another most one thing is return and refund policy must be unique and added your return and refund policy also same to same your Google Market Center account. Then added on your payment policy pages, privacy policy, terms of service must all content unique because Your unique content also helps your fix Google Merchant Center account. On this year, I already worked GMC last 5 years. So it's too hard now to stay active in GMC account. If you are real, then Google welcome. But if you are not real or use any fake information, then it's hard to fix. And after fix, it also risks for fix your account. I also manage this account and I am a manager for this account. Every month and every weeks, I also checked this account. If any issues on the any products, then I work for this. And this is a safe signal for stay your Google Merchant Center account a long time. So if any products, any suspension, then I work for this and fix this. So if you not do this when you upload products after fix, and it will high risk again suspended. So if you follow this all, then your Google Merchant Center account must be approved. After misrepresentation fixed, then after few days, it also come website needs improvement. Website needs improvement. Your website have any broken links, placeholder images, and your website business information not legit. Your website have a lot of space which is not um, allowed in Google, grammatical mistake and product information not good. So for this fix website needs improvement suspension. So I recommended follow Google policy like not broken links, no broken links, no placeholder images, website design must professional. Your website loading speed must also good. All pages unique. Just follow same all thing, then it will be fixed. But truly speaking, I know how to fix Google Merchant Center account misrepresentation and website needs improvement. But I also invented one thing that if you changes one thing in your Google Merchant Center for Google Merchant Center account suspension, website needs improvement on your website, then just follow one thing and one stage. You just edit or add this, then your Google Merchant Center account website needs improvement also fixed 100%. But for misrepresentation, no one tell you why misrepresentation. Also, Google support team not tell you why misrepresentation. They also tell you follow their policy and if need any help, then contact. That's it. And they also helps you just check manually, but not good. If you not fix your main thing, then they also not approve. So if you needs any help for fix your Google Merchant Center account, then contact with me. And also if you need any Google Merchant Center manager for monthly basis, then I also help you and I also help you for also Google Ads. So thank you so much for watch this video. Have a nice day.